let's see, I have an angle. Like that.
And have a conversation about it. So, not a must-have, but nice to do that. But I'm super stoked to learn everything we're going to learn here. Paul, especially this morning.
All
right, here's the first one. All right, it's not gonna be too crazy.
Yeah. All right.
That sounded really bad. I'm actually scared of this. All right.
It's always an element of surprise.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
That's a good.
It's pretty gnarly shot.
Oh.
It's a pinch down here.
Here. Yeah, this pinch, so I'm trying to figure out.
Really good because this was like a silver, let's say. Anytime you have a really deep impact towards an edge on silver, you're always going to move to, to prevent from modeling the paint or changing the metallic flake. I always move to like a plastic, like a very sharp plastic tip, not very sharp, but just sharp enough to kind of fit the corner in there, so it kind of gets down in there, and I kind of use like a rubbing motion there, and I'll put some heat on it while I'm doing that, of course not to break the paint. It's not moving anymore, so.
Okay, now I'll do it for 3.
Nice, man. Shit. Yeah.
Let's show it too, that way you see how tight or loose or if it's standard, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But a lot of times it'll feel super tight and
Yeah.
A little tight from the work.
But now it's gonna move.
Yeah.
All right, guys, here we go.
Gentle. Nothing crazy. Let me hit it twice.
Want to go more? That's
Pretty good. A little more.
That's pretty good.
Not our group, go harder.
Group 1, do you want it more?
I mean, we're trying to get it as close as we can today.
These are dome.
See this right here? Bell's basically indication.
Is this a new thing?
It's a new thing, yeah. Slightly dome.
Yeah. Now.
And I said, oh, it's a little hard.
Now it's easy.
Now it's easy.
Here. Yeah. This pinch, so I'm trying to figure out.